In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome's display language to English. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step so you can navigate Chrome comfortably in a language you're familiar with. Let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once it's up, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see an icon featuring 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is your menu button, giving you access to a myriad of settings and tools that Chrome offers. Now that you have the drop-down menu open, find and select Settings from the list. This will take you to the main settings page, which serves as the control center for your browser experience. Over to the left side of the window, you'll notice several options listed vertically. What we're looking for here is Languages. Click on Languages to move on to the next step. Within the Languages section, you'll see a list of languages installed on your browser. If English is already featured here, your task is nearly complete. You'll just want to make sure that English is set as the display language. Locate English in the list, and then click on the 3-dot menu right beside it. This menu gives us several options, but for our purposes, you'll be selecting Display Google Chrome in this language. After that selection, you're going to need to relaunch Chrome for the language changes to take effect. Look for the prompt or button that says Relaunch and click on it. This will restart your Chrome browser, and when it comes back up, you should see everything displayed in English. It's a simple restart, but it's crucial in ensuring that all settings apply correctly. Here's a useful tip if your Chrome currently displays in another language. The beauty of this process is in its consistency. The layout of the settings menu is always the same. Even if you can't understand the labels, the buttons and icons are in identical positions irrespective of the language. This means you can follow along visually using this tutorial to successfully make the change. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully switched Google Chrome to English. Or, if you started in a different language, mirrored these actions to navigate to your preferred setting. Keep this guide handy for future reference, and enjoy browsing Chrome in the language that feels most comfortable to you. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!